3. Innovate, iterate, evaluate, and adapt. 3.1 Innovation. While an app that collects data and sends it to an online dashboard may seem trivial today, in 2011, Pakistan, it was novel. The app itself was built using the Open Data Kit open source platform, getodk.org, as described above. Other than the geostamps, timestamps, and pictures, the data collected by the app was not innovative. In fact, it intentionally collected identical data to that collected by the original paper based forms to ensure buy in from the health department. The smartphones required to run the app were the first smartphones that any of Punjab's 123 health inspectors had ever used. Health inspectors had to be trained to use the phones and app in person and district by district over the course of more than a month. And there were persistent challenges ensuring smartphones remained charged, working properly, and able to regularly sync data with the online dashboard via 2G networks. This required a full-time staff member to help health inspectors to troubleshoot technical issues and to work directly with phone manufacturers and a major telecom operator in Pakistan. There was a more subtle innovation with this app in the context of 2011 Pakistan, and this is perhaps the reason this case is in this development engineering textbook. That was the way in which the app and dashboard were developed through a partnership between academics, the World Bank, and the health department. The idea of an app and online dashboard was not on the health department's radar prior to the World Bank offering the system, and the World Bank based technology team that developed the system had no experience fulfilling the needs of an entrenched government bureaucracy, such as not changing what data was being collected by the app to allow for sufficient political buy in. Finally, neither the World Bank nor the Health Department had experience implementing what was essentially a policy reform in a way that could allow for a careful evaluation of its impacts before any scale up. For example, given the flow of information to senior health officials, it was important to do a clustered, randomized, controlled trial at the district level. The academics filled this need. While such a process again may seem trivial today, it was quite innovative at the time, to the point where the system's technology lead, Asim Fayyaz, subsequently started a nonprofit center based at Lahore University of Management Sciences with support from Google to repeat the same needs assessment and app design process for other departments of Punjab's provincial government. This center, the Technology for People Initiative, TPI, went on to design apps for Punjab's schools, police, courts, and more. Eventually, Punjab's provincial government in house app development team, based at the Punjab IT Board, PITB, extended the use of mobile apps in many of those departments. Punjab's IT Board developed more than 270 apps for the provincial government between 2012 and 2017.